Here with my first video for Fab Planner Print as a member of the PR team. I'm so excited to be joining them. Thank you to Tony, the lovely lady who owns the shop. And as a PR team member, that does mean I can offer you a discount code, which I will put across the screen now. It's 10 Sarah and you get 10% off. And there's no minimum spend either. So I will be linking the shop below, as well as the products that I use in this video. So first off, this is the Boho Dreamcatcher kit, and this is the monthly kit, and I'm going to be doing my monthly spread for you today. The only products that I'm afraid I can't link are the two washies that I use. One is a very old Doodlebug design, the other one is a glitter washi, which I don't know where I got from, but I find that just any washi that sort of is in the same colour scheme tends to work quite well, and I tend to use mine just to frame around the edges of all my spreads, just in case I'm using a size of stickers aren't the same size as the pages that I'm using, because these aren't Erin Condren sized pages. They're the Prima planner ones that came with the planner, because I thought I'd give them a whirl for a change. So that's why I tend to add lots of washi down the sides. Now with the monthly kit, as you can see, mine has June written on there. The title bit, you can choose which month you want, and that gets changed so that you can have whichever month you'd like. And I'm also using some page flags that are glitter bow page flags. Again, I will link them below. So to begin with, I'm just making sure I've got rid of all the top bit so that it's prettier, and I've covered up all that black and white stripe or black and cream stripe. I'm now adding my days of the week for the top of the calendar, which I shouldn't have done straight away because I needed to block out the first few days because the month begins on the Friday. So I did have to pick up the scripty days of the week. I just got a bit overexcited because they were so pretty and put them down too soon, but they do peel up if you're very careful and gentle. Most planner stickers are really good for just peeling up. They do stick back down really well. They don't tend to tear paper. And along the bottom, I'm also using some thin washi style strips that also come in the same boho kits. I am using two of the boho kits. I think one of them is the new design boho kit and the other one is the monthly one, and I do switch between them, and then when I go on to do my weekly I'll be using the same two kits as well. So now I'm just adding in my dates of the month, and as you can see, I don't make you watch me do every single one because that would take forever. And now I decide to add this flag in with the payday sticker on the top just to make it stand out, and I thought it just looked a bit prettier anyway. And then I add the second one, which is also a payday one, but I haven't got a payday sticker for that just yet, but I know I've got one in one of my other previous kits, so I will use that then. I decide to separate my note column down the side with these pretty flag check boxes, and so I just add 3 of them down there, and then I take my label stickers and add to do, little things, and clean. So I've got some general ideas of what I want to do in that month, in particular like more spring clean, bigger things that I need to remember, that kind of stuff, and I can just fill it in as I go along. I'm not able to fill in too much on this because I do not have my partner's work schedule yet, so that means I can't really plan a month around that just yet, so that's why it's kind of sparse at the moment. Later on I will add more decorative stickers as I go along, as I start to fill it in, but leaving it blank is quite good for me because otherwise I get a bit overzealous with the stickers and end up with no room to write important things because I get a bit excited. So that is pretty much it for this planner video. I just punch out the holes from the back of the washi and use my scissors to trim off the edges of the washi. I also took that sticker. It's a very large sticker that reads "Dream bigger than stars, deeper than the sea, higher than the mountains," and it's a beautiful Dreamcatcher one. And I just punch holes in it and use it more like a journal card, project life card, and just pop it in there just for a bit of extra interest. And then I might just use the back to write notes on as well. So instead of using it as a sticker, I'm just leaving it as is. And that is pretty much it. So I'll be putting that in my planner. Unfortunately, it is not decorated. I've literally only just moved into this one out of my other one. So I will be adding some prettier dashboards, etc. at a later date. So if you stay tuned at the end, I do have a picture of how it looks. Thanks for joining me, and join me again for my next planner video. Bye!